Let's talk about logarithmic scale in Excel column charts. So when we say logarithmic scale, you might be wondering, what is it good for, right? So whenever we have a large numerical range of data, like over here, right? This is our data set for January to December, and then it's a very big range. So you can see over here that we have small values over here, less than 100,000, and then all of a sudden there's a million over here. And then once we plot a graph based on these values, you will most probably end with a skewed looking chart like this one on the right. You could see that this column over here is like a big long column, and then the other ones, you cannot see much on what is the difference between each other, right? Because all of them would look really small as compared to your sales values in January. And this is where it really comes in handy for the logarithmic scale. So you can use this scale, the log scale, right, in the format axis later, which is what we will be doing to scale your chart by a base of 10. So when we say base of 10, what it will do is it will multiply the vertical axis units by 10. It will start at 1 and then followed by 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, etc. Right? So it will just keep on multiplying it by 10. And this scales the chart to show a more even spread, which we'll be showing in our final output later, right? Okay, so let's get started. What we'll do is let's delete this to start from the beginning. Let's go to selecting the data over here, right? So make sure you have everything selected. Go to insert, recommended charts. Let's go to all charts and make sure that column is selected. Let's just go okay, right? And this is the chart over here that doesn't look so good at the moment because everything's really small. That's not a January sales number, right? So what we will do right now is let's just right click on the vertical axis over here, right? Just right click on it, go format axis, and you will see an option over here. So let me just scroll down a bit. There's going to be a logarithmic scale over here, and then it's a base of 10, and that looks good on our end. Let's just go X. And now you can see your chart is looking a lot better now because the numbers over here are multiples of 10 and the graph has adjusted accordingly.